Now, more than 3,100 Hyundai and Kia vehicles have caught fire since 2010, injuring 103 people and killing one person who didn't make it out on time.
What if the car brands you've trusted for years are hiding critical flaws? Imagine finding out that your so-called reliable car could be a ticking time bomb. Engines from brands people trust. Engines that fail before 50,000 miles. Engines so bad, they've sparked lawsuits, bankruptcies, and even caught fire. And here's the kicker. Some of these disasters came from manufacturers that claim to build the most reliable cars in the world. So which engines should you avoid at all costs? How bad did they really get? And more importantly, could your car be one of them? And number 6, that one? It's not just bad, it's terrifying. Let's get into it.
Do you know what this part is? When it fails, it's gonna ruin your day on this Dodge Dart.
Number 9, Ford's 1.0-liter EcoBoost, a compact catastrophe. Ford hyped this engine like it was the future. Tiny, turbocharged, and fuel-efficient. But reality had other plans. This 3-cylinder disaster became infamous for sudden oil pressure loss, which often led to complete engine failure, sometimes before hitting 50,000 miles. Mechanics found shredded oil pump belts, clogged pickups, and worn-out tensioners. Drivers reported the oil light turning on seconds before the engine gave out. And Ford's fix? Half-hearted recalls, followed by discontinuing the model entirely in the US. If you see a used EcoSport or Fiesta with this engine, run. Don't walk. Number 8, Mini Cooper's 1.6-liter, 2007 to 2013. The ultimate betrayal. Mini Coopers are fun, stylish, and feel like go-karts on the road. But from 2007 to 2013, owning one was like playing Russian roulette with your wallet. The BMW-designed 1.6-liter engine had a timing chain tensioner that was basically useless. The chain would stretch or snap entirely, often without warning. If you were lucky, it was a few thousand in repairs. If you weren't, say goodbye to your engine. And the turbocharged version burned oil like mad and suffered from frequent turbo failures. Still think it's cute? You won't when the repair bills start piling up. Number 7, 2020 to 2021 Kia 2.0-liter i4, the engine that quit before it started. Kia's reputation has been climbing in recent years, but this engine sent it tumbling right back down. Used in the Soul and Seltos, this 2.0-liter inline-4 started failing as early as 11,000 miles. The culprit? Piston ring failure, leading to oil consumption, stalling, and full-blown engine collapse. Kia issued recalls, but even after repairs, many owners faced the same exact problems again. Reliable. Think again. Unless you enjoy checking your oil more often than your social media, steer clear. Number 6, 2013 to 2016 Dodge Dart 1.4-liter Turbo, the oil guzzler that shuts down on you. This was supposed to be Dodge's big return to the compact sedan market. Instead, it turned into one of the most dangerous and unreliable vehicles of its time. Owners reported engines shutting off while driving. Yes, even on the freeway. The 1.4-liter turbo drank oil like a frat boy on spring break. Some people lost all oil within 30 days. Miss one oil check and boom, engine stall, permanent damage, or worse. Dodge tried to quietly let this model disappear, but the horror stories remain. Number 5, 2012 to 2014 Range Rover Sport Supercharged V8, the ultimate money pit. Owning a Range Rover already means expensive upkeep, but this 5.0-liter supercharged V8 took pain to a new level. Timing chain failures, cam phaser breakdowns, EGR valve carbon buildup. Repairs could cost thousands just to keep it on the road. For a car that screams luxury, it sure spent a lot of time sitting in the shop. So ask yourself, what's the point of high-end performance if your car spends more time with a mechanic than with you? Number 4, GM's 3.6-liter high-feature V6, 2007 to 2010. the silent engine killer. This engine found its way into everything: Buicks, Cadillacs, GMCs, but it carried a hidden bomb, a stretching timing chain. Unlike a belt that snaps suddenly, a stretched chain quietly kills your engine. First comes the check engine light, then the rattling, then metal shavings in your oil. Fixing it? $3,000 minimum. Ignoring it? Total engine replacement, up to $7,000. And GM knew for years before taking real action. Still feel loyal? Number 3, 2009 to 2010, Audi A42.0 LTFSI. The oil drinker. German engineering, they said. Precision, they said. But this turbocharged 2.0-liter engine? It drank oil like it was fuel. Some owners topped off their oil more than their gas tanks. Constant worry, constant refills, constant headaches. Consumer Reports ranked it among the most likely engines to need a full rebuild. Audi's response? Minor tweaks and a PR smile. If you're looking at a used A4 from this era, ask yourself, do you want a luxury car or a monthly maintenance ritual? Number 2, BMW's N63 twin-turbo V8, the engine that forced a bribe. This engine was supposed to be the future of BMW's power lineup. Instead, it became a legendary failure. Oil consumption? Insane. Turbo failures? Frequent. Valve stem leaks, timing chain issues, carbon buildup, you name it. It got so bad that BMW literally offered discounts to affected owners in a customer loyalty program. Translation: please don't sue us. Later versions were improved, but the original damage? Done. Number 1, Hyundai Kia Theta 2, the engine that goes up in flames. If there's one engine that truly defines modern disaster, this is it. Used in everything from the Sonata to the Optima, the Theta 2 was sold as a fuel-efficient daily driver. Instead, it gave owners engine seizures, metal debris in oil lines, random stalls, and yes, actual fires. Millions of cars were recalled, warranties extended, but the trust completely burned. This engine destroyed not only cars, but also the confidence of thousands of owners. So what do you think? Have you owned one of these disasters? Did it ruin your faith in the brand? Or do you think the internet overreacted? Let us know in the comments. And remember, before you buy used, do your research. A few minutes of reading could save you thousands in repair bills. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-up car advice. No sugarcoating, no fluff. See you in the next one.